You can't count it.
I will show you them.
So show me some. Where are your friends, Shreya?
I will show you in a moment.
Okay. Yes. Oh.
Let's show you another one.
Oh, baby. Have names, no?
Yes.
So nice.
I have only this much. There is no storage. My mother deleted everything.
Is it so?
This is your cat.
Oh, you have the picture of my cat too. Ah, nice. Now, Shreya, let's as we wait for our friends to join, let's do a little bit of discussion how on your project presentation day you will present your project.
Okay.
Okay. So first, now yes. Now all clear?
Yes.
Yes. So you know very well now that what is the project theme, right? We want freedom for every living being, right? Yeah,
I can see her tail.
yeah, it is a boy. Okay, so freedom for all animals, or every living organism. You will talk about that, okay? I will say nothing. So we will just plan accordingly. So first that is there. Next is first day when you started, what kind of problems you faced while you started doing this project. That is, you don't have to tell me now. You will make a list, okay? How many ever problems, are there? One problem, two problems, okay? So you write the problem. If there were no problems, very good. If there were problems, yes,
We had no sunlight so much. There will be no sunlight so much.
yes, if you think that is a problem, then you mention that, and you also mention that how did you solve that problem? Kshitija, can I see and hear you, dear? Okay. So how, if there was a problem while you were making this project, like even when you were writing your poem, did you face any problem? If yes, then how did you solve that problem? While you were growing the seed, did you face any problem? If yes, then how did you solve that problem? Anything with respect to this project, like even understanding the project. Yes, Kshitija, nice. You're measuring. Are you doing videos, Kshitija?
I'm not been taking videos because I don't know what to tell in it.
Yes, dear, you were supposed to take videos also, no, every day.
I don't need to tell anything then. I should just take a video of the plant.
You were supposed to take the video of the growing seedling every day for a 10 seconds or a 20-second video.
I'll take it.
Okay?
But has still not come. Only this has come.
That's okay. It's nice. Sarah, can I see your garden?
Okay.
Okay, Shreya, we will continue. Let's do some studies, and then after we will take a small break. and then we will continue with what we were talking about with all our friends. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Where did my pen go? Okay, let Sarah come. Let me see her garden, and then we will start.
It has not come so much.
Yes, Freya?
It has not come so much. Means it is not growing tall.
It is growing. Yes, Sarah. These were your beans, right?
Yeah.
Are you watering them every day?
Yes.
Okay, and what about your coriander?
They're not sprouting, they're not growing.
Coriander, they are not growing. Have you tried with any other seeds?
No.
No? Okay. You still have a week. If you want to, you can try with other seeds as well. It's okay.
Okay.
It's anyways, it is the
The
effort.
small chili.
It's okay,
My
Sarah.
chili plant gave me.
Yes, Citizen?
My chili plant gave me a chili. I broke it.
Wow, lovely. Nice. So Sarah, you can try with some chili seeds or tomato seeds, okay? It's
Okay.
okay. Don't worry, dear. It's your hard work that is all important. What we get at the end, a tall seedling, a short seedling, a just
Ma'am,
germinated seed, doesn't matter. Yes, Freya?
ma'am, in tomato plant there was fungus. I throwed it.
There was
Fungus.
fungus. Okay, could be because of weather or anything. It's okay. Okay, so we will do a bit of study, and then we will talk a little about how all of you will be presenting your project. What all things should be there when you talk. You can speak in your own way. I will not tell. I'll just tell you that remember, you will talk about this, and this. Okay. So before that, we will do a short class, and then we will move on to okay. These are some pictures of how people are growing seeds, which you all have for your own selves, right? So coriander, tomato, okay,
What's this?
methi, lemon, okay. There are very different kinds of seeds. Now, the seed has grown, and now there is a seedling, and then there is a plant, and then there is a tree. So when the seed was growing, you were providing it with whatever is required, and as you remember, the food was already stored in the cotyledon. Remember, Sarah?
Yes.
The food was already stored in the cotyledon
Stored in the
of the seed. Kshitija, if you think that your bandwidth is giving you some trouble, you can, for the time being, switch off your video and listen. Okay?
Oh, I don't think it's giving.
Okay. Okay. So now when a tree is tall, then who is giving tree food to eat? Is anybody giving tree food to eat? What do you think? Sarah, Shreya? Shreya?
Ma'am,
Who is giving tree food to eat?
humans and plants.
Humans.
No.
Okay. Sarah, what do you think? Who is giving?
Animals.
Okay. Sarah?
Can you repeat the question? Your voice
Rain.
is not clear.
Okay, I'm asking that seeds had their food in the cotyledons, right?
Yes.
Now, when a seed is grown and it is a seedling, and it is a tree in turn and a plant, then who is giving food to the plant?
Oh, sunlight.
Sunlight and rain.
Carbon dioxide and water together form the food for the plant.
Yes, Sarah?
Sunlight and rain.
Sunlight and wind. Wind you are telling?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see. Okay. So what is photosynthesis? The word photosynthesis is taken from a Greek word. Okay. Photo means produced by light and synthesis means to make something. Okay. To bring 4-5 things together and to make something. Right? Can you see the picture?
Yes.
Okay. What is happening? There is sunlight, there is carbon dioxide, and there is water. Okay. And the leaf is using the sunlight, which is abundant, which is there. Carbon dioxide is also there in our air and water. Now, who will tell me how the plant is getting this water?
Through the roots.
It absorbs from the roots.
Yes, the plant is absorbing the water from the root that grows, that you have seen growing when a seedling grows, right? Yes. And when the food is being made inside the leaf of every green plant, the food is also called as carbohydrate. Along with that food, the tree or the plant also gives out oxygen. This oxygen is used by animals for their breathing, for the survival. Okay? And what animals breathe out? Yeah.
Carbon oxygen.
Right. Exactly. So the carbon dioxide that animals breathe out is taken up by the plant.
And they give us oxygen.
Yes, and in turn they give us oxygen. Yes, yes, Kshitija?
Ma'am, I kept these plants in the house in darkness for one day. The leaves turned yellow. After that, I kept it in the sun and it turned green. Why?
Yes, Kshitija, I can't hear you properly, dear.
I think our internet problem.
Wait, yeah, now can you hear me?
Yes, you are audible. Yes, tell me.
I kept my mustard plant in darkness for one day and the leaves turned yellow. And then the next day I kept it out in the sun and it turned green. Why? Chlorophyll makes the leaves green, right?
Yes, because of the presence of chlorophyll, the plant is green. Okay, now.
Then why did it turn yellow?
You tell me, why did it turn yellow? You tell me, your friends will tell you.
Because of the darkness it turned yellow, no light. But there was still chlorophyll, right?
If you keep it in the dark while it is growing, then the chlorophyll doesn't grow. There is a elaborate process to that. And as you grow up, as you go to higher classes, then you will be able to learn and understand more. Now, before we move on to the next slide,
I cannot hear you.
yes, it's okay. Can you hear me, Sarah? Sarah? Where did Sarah go? Yes, Sarah.
I think she left.
I think she'll rejoin. Let's see. Okay. Just give her a minute. Just Shreya, in between Shreya and Kshitija, you can draw this diagram. As and when Sarah is joining, just draw the diagram as it is. Okay? I think
Okay.
it will help you to remember.
Oh.
Sarah? Sarah, are you there, dear?
Yes, I had some internet problem.
It's okay. If somebody is having a trouble, you can always switch off your video and then after 30 seconds or 1 minute, switch it on. I will also do if I have a problem. Okay, so don't worry. Now, Sarah, we can just draw this diagram as it is and then we will move on to the next slide. Okay, and there we will see the elaborate scientific definition of photosynthesis. Okay, Sarah? Shreya, Kshitija.
Should we draw now?
Yes, draw it quickly. Let me see who completes drawing first. Let me see who gives me a thumbs up first. Draw a simple diagram so that you can understand without reading anything, just by looking at the diagram. Got
I
Shreya?
don't know drawing.
Yes, dear. Shreya?
I don't know drawing so much.
Arey bachche, this is a science class, this is not a drawing class.
I will not draw neatly.
Do you think I have drawn this? I even draw bad than you. Good girl. Ah, and I heard all of your poems are coming up very nicely. Huh? I'm really very excited. So today, Sarah or anybody, can you put up your poem for me on the screen? Do you have the poem in a soft copy? Is it possible for you? Is it there in your computer by any chance? Yes or no?
The computer?
In your computer, is the poem there in a Word document or it is there in like handwritten?
I have it in the handwritten.
Okay.
I had it in Word, but then I deleted it.
Okay. I just wanted to help you pick up some points of how to recite a poem. That's all. So if anybody can put up their poem for me on the screen, not now, after I'm done teaching this, I will tell when. Where did Kshitija go? Where is she going around? Okay, we are done. Ah, it's beautiful. Lovely. Where did you go, Kshitija?
I went to get my pencil.
You will ask me before you leave the front of your screen, dear. You will just let me know that, ma'am, I'm going to get a pencil. Okay? Huh?
I told it.
When? I did not hear, dear.
My internet connection is.
Yeah, I'm getting old, no? So you have to be louder. Yes.
Good.
Okay, done, Kshitija, drawing?
No.
Quickly.
Ma'am, now
Yes,
I'll close the door and come. There is so much traffic outside.
yes, dear.
So,
Go quickly, quickly close it and come.
okay.
What were you doing for all this time, dear Kshitija? Your friends finished drawing and now you went to get your pencil?
No, I drew it once and it got spoiled.
Hmm? Okay. Be quick. Be quick. Excuse me. Chalo, we will move to the next screen. You just have 10 more seconds, Kshitija.
Yeah, I just
Done drawing?
I'm on.
Your observation sheets are getting filled up, Sarah?
Yeah.
Whatever you see, my dear, you fill that. It's okay. Don't worry. It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay. And your poem is ready. You have your 10 second video.
Yes.
Can you join like 2 days before the presentation? I think all of you will be able to do this. We have all those apps, no? Where you can join all these videos. So you will join your 10 seconds video together and there will be a 5 minute or a 6 minute video in time lapse. Okay?
Definitely. There is VBLLO video maker. We can type and do everything there.
Oh wow, you know so much. I only don't know. And share with your friends. If somebody wants to know, to please share. Okay, now this is the scientific definition. So what it is? Sarah, will you read it for me?
Yes. Photosynthesis is the process through which plants produce their food. In this process, plants absorb water from the soil through roots and carbon dioxide gas from the air through leaves and combine both of them to build glucose.
Yes. So Shreya, can you tell me what have you understood? Have you understood anything? Don't look at the writing.
Yes. Photo is sunlight.
Yes.
Synthesis is
Synthesis is
and then
to make something, combine and make something. Okay? Yeah. Okay? She'll come. So photosynthesis, whatever we were talking till now, the same thing is given in a written format. I think the diagram you have drawn is exactly what this definition is all about. Right, Sarah, Kshitija and Shreya?
Yes.
So,
yes.
So what it says, the plant is taking up water from the soil with the help of roots. The leaves are absorbing carbon dioxide, okay? And together with the help of sunlight, the food is made. This food, you can either call it carbohydrate or you can call it glucose. It's the same thing. Okay? Glucose is a kind of carbohydrate. There are many different kinds of carbohydrates. Like fish. There are so many different kinds of fish. Similarly, there are many different kinds of carbohydrates. Glucose being one such carbohydrate that is made by the plant as its food. This is known as the process of photosynthesis. Right?
Yes.
Now, all three of you, I want you to write the definition by using your own words. Okay? So you will not see this diagram. You will only see a picture. Okay? You will only see the picture. Whatever you have understood, you already have a picture in your notebook. By looking at that picture, now write a short definition of photosynthesis. Use your understanding and your own language.
This photo.
Yes, this photo is there, no? And now you can see one more photo in your screen, on the screen. And you know what is photosynthesis, Shreya, as of now. Now I want you to write all by yourself
About this picture.
about photosynthesis, the definition.
Okay.
Okay? Like here it is written, no? I don't want you to copy this. I want you to write your own definition. Drink water and stretch a bit and start writing. Don't take all the time, okay? Be quick. You can take the help of this board, okay? You can take the help of this board to write your own definition. So first, Shreya will tell me your definition. After Shreya, Kshitija. After Kshitija, Sara. You have to unmute yourself, Shreya.
There is no sound here.
It's okay. You can unmute when there is no sound. What I'm telling is, Shreya, you will be the first person to tell me the definition. After you, Kshitija, then Sara. So be quick. Yep. Finished? Okay, wait. Sara, I think you have also completed, right?
Yes.
Good girl. Shreya, finish up quickly.
I'm at 1 minute.
Yes, no, not 1 minute, 30 seconds.
Okay.
finished.
So what, Kshitija?
I'm writing.
You have done writing, no? Very good. So you have to wait. Patience is a virtue, Kshitija.
Ma'am, now
Yeah.
if I have to shift this,
Shift
how
what?
do I do it?
Shift what, my dear? Where do you want to shift it? Where do you want to
To the mud.
shift it? Huh?
The mud.
To mud.
Mud.
To soil, nothing. You have to just fill the pot with 3/4 of soil, then not actually 3/4, almost at the top, then lightly place it. Like,
Without harming the.
yes, Kshitija.
So how to pull it out without harming the roots?
That you have to be very careful, no? You have to only take one and first you just damp it a bit so that it is wet. When it is wet, it can easily come out of the paper towel. Then you put it, dug a small hole, put that seed with the roots in that soil and lightly cover it and just sprinkle some water. Do the shift either early in the morning or after the sun has come down. It's preferably early in the morning. Done, Shreya? Shreya, done?
Ma'am, I want to write sunlight.
Okay, Kshitija, share your definition. Shreya, listen to Kshitija and take some input from that. Yes, Kshitija.
Photo means light and synthesis means to make something new. Photosynthesis is a process in which the plant makes food. In this process, the roots of the plant absorb the water and the leaves take in carbon dioxide. The leaves even use sunlight. The leaves mix the water and carbon dioxide to form a glucose, even known as carbon dioxide. Not carbon dioxide, carbohydrates. This carbohydrates or glucose becomes the food of the plant.
Excellent. Sarah, if you want, you can also add something after listening Kshitija's definition and then tell me your definition, Sarah.
I'll tell you my definition now.
Yes, dear, tell me.
Okay. Photo means light and synthesis means to make something. Photosynthesis is the process when roots of a plant absorbs water and from the soil. It also takes in nutrients from the soil, and the leaves take sunlight and carbon dioxide. When humans and animals give out carbon dioxide, then the plants take in the carbon dioxide and they give out oxygen. It also photosynthesis helps the plant to develop the green pigment chlorophyll, which is present in the leaves.
Can you please repeat your last sentence, my dear Sarah?
It also helps in the green pigment of chlorophyll, which is also present in the leaves.
So you can add that. You can just do a bit of change. The pigment chlorophyll, which is present in the green leaf, helps in the process of photosynthesis, or is very important for the process of photosynthesis. Okay? Yes, Shreya, tell me your definition.
Photo means light and synthesis to make something. Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. It is present on green leaves. Carbon dioxide. Plants take in carbon dioxide and give us oxygen. Water is very useful to every living thing. If there was no water, everyone would die. Sunlight. It helps plants to grow well and they help plants not go yellow.
Okay, so you have to also add that the plants take up water from the soil and with the help of sunlight, they make their food, that is a carbohydrate. Okay? Okay, so let's move to the next. Okay, now we will see each of them, why each of them is important and what they are providing. We know what they are providing, but we will just take one by one. So sunlight. It is a very important factor, as you can see, okay? And it generates the energy required during the process of photosynthesis. Okay, like a car needs energy to run, petrol is giving the energy, right? We need energy to work, think, study. Our food is giving us that energy. And to the plant, the energy is given by the sunlight. Sunlight is the ultimate source of energy. Whatever it is because of the sun, right? And sunlight is also important for the formation of the green pigment, that is chlorophyll, present in the leaf, that I have already mentioned. As Kshitija was telling, that when you keep a growing seed in dark, there is no sunlight, and as there is no sunlight, the seedling cannot make chlorophyll. So in turn, it will not grow, because chlorophyll is very, very, very important for the process of photosynthesis. Okay. So carbon dioxide, water, everything is very important. This list,
What if a plant oxygen in the daytime?
just a minute dear. So these four things are absolutely required by the plant, without which the process of photosynthesis can't happen. Okay?
And at night also plants make food.
Yes, it makes, but the speed is very, very less because there is no sunlight.
If we put a torch on it,
The water content will be more.
Not really. The water content is not more. There is no water loss from the plant. Okay? These processes you will learn as you go to your higher classes. This process of water loss.
But in night,
Huh? What? Tell me. Yeah. At night, the plant doesn't give out oxygen. No, it does not. The rate of taking of carbon dioxide becomes slow. Okay? And it does not give a lot of water. You can do this experiment at home and see if you have grown up plants at home. Just take a plastic bag, okay, and tie the plastic bag to a leaf during the daytime. After some time, you see what happens and you tell me. I will not tell you what will happen. Okay? Take plastic. Okay, Kshitija, let them do, huh? Let them do and see what happens. Okay? So, Shreya and Sarah, you take a plastic bag. If you have plants in and around, tie it around the leaf of the plant, okay? Tightly, using a rubber band during the daytime. and see what happens. You come and tell me in the next class. Okay, Shreya and Sarah?
Okay.
Whatever you see. Now, we have seen the importance of sunlight. Now, what is chlorophyll? Okay. Now, this information could be a bit more for your level, but I think any information is good information. Okay. So, the green pigment, that is chlorophyll, is present in the green leaf. So, where in the green leaf? In chloroplast. Okay. Anything apart from this, anything more, you will learn in your next class. Okay. In grade 6. I think at your grade, this information is more than enough. So, the chlorophyll is green in color. The plant leaves are green in color. Okay. And the sunlight is actually absorbed by this chlorophyll. Okay, so you can understand, if there is no chlorophyll in a plant, there will be no photosynthesis. Okay.
What is C?
That is the chemical structure of chlorophyll. That is just for fun. Look at it and forget. So, chlorophyll light rays and makes them available for the process of photosynthesis. Okay. So without chlorophyll,
M9 and then after that next to it is C, 2 lines and under it is C. What is that?
I'm telling you, Kshitija, that this is the chemical structure of chlorophyll. That is beyond your scope of understanding. Okay, I've just given it. Okay. Maybe in your higher class when you are doing your master's or your graduation, if you see this structure, you will be able to identify. Oh, this is chlorophyll. Okay.
Okay.
So, chlorophyll captures the sunlight. Like, where do you put the petrol? You put the petrol in the tank and engine uses it, right? Shreya and Sarah?
Can you repeat again?
I'm telling, the petrol that is inside the car, who uses that petrol? The engine, right?
Yes.
Similarly, chlorophyll is the engine. And which is the petrol? Sunlight, right?
Yes.
Clear? Sarah, Kshitija?
Yes.
Do you want to make a quick note on chlorophyll? Have you, Sarah?
I should make it.
Do you think? What do you think?
Okay.
Is it a new information for you?
Yes.
Yes, then I think you should. Shreya, quickly make a note of this. Okay?
I can't hear it.
Yes, Shreya?
I can't hear you.
I'm telling, make a note of what you see on your screen quickly. About chlorophyll. You understood, no, Shreya? Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. Okay.
CONOUR.
Hmm? I can't hear you, dear.
Now can you hear me?
Yes, tell me, what are you telling?
Color spelling is COLOUR.
It's okay. Both the spelling works. One is American English, one is UK English. This is American English. Shreya, Sarah, is it clear?
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Very good. Kshitija, is it clear?
And
Yes.
Good girl. Good girl. Okay. Shreya, quickly finish off.
I also finished.
Good girl. You finished. You have completed. You finished means you are dead. Okay, so you say I finished writing or you say I completed writing. Okay? Yes. Shreya, is it done for you? Unmute yourself. Okay, now water.
Shall we write the water?
Uh, I think we can leave that. We can leave this. Okay, now where does photosynthesis occur? Okay. So this is the structure of a leaf, right? Yes?
Yes.
yes.
Okay. So it's a very regular leaf. So can you see the,
Uh, the vein, the small netted veins, and the blade. I don't know what is the.
okay, so blade is nothing but the leaf in itself. Okay. Okay, can you give me a minute? I'll just get a leaf. Will you give me a minute?
Yes.
I'll just get a leaf and I'll show it to you. Give me a minute, okay, dear? Both,
Okay.
all three of you. I'll just come back.
Okay.
Yes, I'm back. Okay. Can you see the leaf? Can you see it? All of you? Okay.
Yes.
So this is where you hold a leaf, okay? Is the
Yep.
petiole, right? This is
Yes.
the petiole. Can you see it?
Yes.
I have.
Yes, nice. That is a compound leaf that you have got. Okay, that's not a simple leaf. That is a
This is a
compound leaf.
watermelon.
Yes, that is called a compound leaf because it is not simple in structure. Now, this mid, the line in the center that you see, can you see? This line in the
I
center
like this leaf.
Yes.
Yes.
is the midrib.
Yes.
Shirita, please concentrate now. Yes.
Yes.
So this is the midrib, right? In the center, running in the center, right? Now, can you see the small vein? Is it visible to the camera? Yes or no? No. Yes.
Yes.
Kind of. Is it visible?
Yes.
Yeah.
Somewhat. Okay. So those are the small veins. and windless. Okay? Yes.
Compound leaf.
Because it is not a simple structure, it has so many grooves and things. You will study that when you study botany in your higher class. Okay? And of course, the leaf is, this is the leaf blade. Okay?
Does it have a leaf blade?
Of course, it has a leaf blade, but that is a compound leaf. That is the only difference. It has everything what a simple leaf will have, but that is a compound leaf. Okay? Yes, Sarah? Is it okay?
Yeah, the whole screen was black, so I had to join again.
It's okay, dear. Not a problem. Now, excuse me. Let's move on. Now we will see where actually the photosynthesis is happening. Where is the kitchen for the how do you put it? Is the time? We don't have time to talk about projects. Okay, fine, forget it. Okay, so can you see the diagram? Don't see the write-up, only see the diagram. And don't read what is written, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Inside the leaf, this is the structure. Okay, that is inside, which you can't see with your naked eyes. This you will only be able to see under a microscope. Okay?
Okay.
So, inside the leaf, okay?
Should we draw this?
No, not at all. This is just for you to see.
What is upper epidermis?
Don't read it. Don't read anything, okay? These are facts. Okay? This is beyond your scope. So where I am giving red dots, these are the kitchen. This is where the actual process of photosynthesis and the making of glucose happens. Okay?
Polysoid cell.
Shreya and Sarah?
Yes.
It's a polysoid cell.
Can you see I am marking red? Okay? These are the cells where actually the food for the plant is made. Okay?
Okay.
Okay? The rest of the structure it is not important for you at this level. It is very important. But as you grow, okay, you become older, you go to higher grade, then this becomes important for you, okay?
Okay.
So we also call these as photosynthesis factory. Okay?
Oh, was it between stomata and chlorophyll?
I'm asking you not to read that, Kshitija. You will get confused. Just see. I know you might have so many questions, but every question can't be answered at every level. Okay? You have to grow a bit older for this. Okay? Maybe in your 6th grade, you can get the answers. Okay? Good girl. So, these are, you can call the photosynthesis factories, which are buried within the leaf. And the green cells that I have marked with red color, that is where chlorophyll is present. Okay?
Okay.
Shreya and Sarah, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This was just some information. You don't have to memorize or anything. You know chlorophyll, that is more than enough. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now, this is the chemical reaction. Citizen, you can say, keep your leave aside, Citizen, concentrate on the class. We are done with the leave. You can keep it aside. Okay. Now, this is the chemical reaction. Sarah, if you have problems with network, it's okay. You can keep your video on, video off, and just listen to it.
Okay.
Okay. Now, this is the chemical reaction. Everything has chemistry in it. You can't go without chemistry. Okay, Sarah, Shreya, Kutija. So, what is the chemical reaction? We know that carbon dioxide is present, right? Carbon dioxide. Okay.
Yes.
The formula for carbon dioxide is CO2. Okay.
Yes.
Do you know this, or this is new for you?
Yes, I learned it in grade 3.
Excellent. And Shreya, do you
What
know?
6? 12.
No, do you know
No,
CO2
carbon
is carbon dioxide?
dioxide, carbon dioxide, hydrogen.
Kritija, hold on. Hold on. Have patience. Shreya, do you know that CO2 means carbon dioxide? Yes or no? No. Okay. So this is how we can write carbon dioxide, CO2. Okay. Now water. This is how we write water in chemistry, H2O. Okay. Yes. This is how we write glucose in chemistry, C6H12O6. Okay. Huh?
Okay.
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 And oxygen we write as O2. Okay.
1 minute.
I will write it for you, don't worry. And water we have already seen H2O, right? So what is the chemical reaction? It is CO2 plus
O2
H2O
plus.
giving us the glucose. C6H2O6.
What is enzymes?
Yes, Sarah, you are asking me something?
No, I wasn't asking.
Okay.
Plant enzyme.
Plant enzyme, you need enzyme to digest your food. Plant need enzyme to make their food. Okay, you can say that this is chlorophyll. Enzyme is nothing but chlorophyll. So carbon dioxide, Shreya, water, this is the glucose, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And then there is oxygen O2 and there is also some water. Okay, I think you can write this reaction for yourself in your notebook. The one that I have ticked with yellow. Okay, and write carbon dioxide.
Um,
Next, Sarah, tell me.
I have to write the one that you have written down.
Yes. Or if you have written this one also, it is okay. Just mention that CO2 is carbon dioxide, H2 is water, this is glucose,
Okay.
this is oxygen. Shreya, are you writing? Yes or no?
This one?
The one that I have written. You can understand now which one I have written? Yes. You write that. Kshitija, are you writing?
Yeah.
Good girl. And plant enzyme is nothing but the chlorophyll. Okay? And after sunlight. This light is sunlight. Nothing but sunlight. So everything has chemistry in it. Okay? If you study biology when you grow up, you will see you are studying biology and chemistry together. Put a thumbs up on your screen when you are done writing this equation.
I'm done.
Good girl. Shreya, good girl. Now, you remember you have drawn the diagram in the first, right? This diagram and this chemical equation are somewhat same thing. That is a diagram. Sarah, I am here. Don't worry. The first one was a diagram, and this is the same thing but written in a chemical formula. Okay? Nothing to worry about. Some extra information that ma'am is giving you. All of you.
Okay.
Now, is it clear, this extra information?
Yes.
Yes? Nothing, no? You know carbon dioxide. Now you know how to write carbon dioxide in chemistry, right?
Yes.
Now you know how to write water. You can write WATER or you can write H2O,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
So you know how to write glucose in chemistry now. C6H12O6. Okay? Just practice this once at home and then let's see. We will have some practice to do as well. Some homework, some assignments. We will get soon. Done, Kshitija?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So why photosynthesis is so important for all of us? Okay, I'll just take 2 more minutes. Okay, then we can finish the class. Why photosynthesis is so important? Can you tell me one point each? Shreya? Kshitija, wait. You will tell. Shreya?
It is present. Chlorophyll is present on the green leaf. Carbon.
I am asking why photosynthesis is important for all of us. Why?
If there is no photosynthesis,
Hmm.
we would die.
Yes, absolutely. We would die. Excellent. Sarah?
Sunlight should
Because photosynthesis
Yes.
helps the plant to make food.
That is for plants, for us, for the rest of the living world.
Then we will die.
Yes, we will die. But why?
Because we won't get oxygen.
Yes. Kshitija, one reason?
If there was no photosynthesis, we will die because plants need photosynthesis to make food, and we get most of our food from plants.
Yes. So we get our food and our oxygen from the plant and we are cutting our plants. Huh? We are not giving them their freedom to grow. Right?
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes.
There is deforestation, but we will die if there are no plants, but we are cutting them off. Right? And that
Yes.
is why we want to make small gardens in every home. Right? That is why we are working on making home gardens. Right? Because
Yes.
plant is so important for us. Isn't it? So these are the important reasons why we need photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is one of the most important biological processes on Earth. It provides oxygen we breathe. It consumes CO2 that is not required by us. It provides us food. It provides us energy. It provides us with fiber and a lot of other things.
Okay.
Absolutely can't do without plants. So, if you wish to, you can quickly note these 5 points. Why we will die if there are no plants. If there is no, let's say if the plant says we are going on a strike, we will not do photosynthesis, then what will happen? Have you ever thought of that? Plants are so giving, they will never go on strike. That is the beauty of nature. But we have to love them, take care of them, respect them, be compassionate towards them. gives them their freedom to grow and flourish, right? So, three of you quickly make a note of it. And then we will call it a day.
Um,
Yes, sir.
can you repeat that? Right.
What I did not say, I was just talking to you. You can write these 5 points as why will you die if there is no photosynthesis. Excuse me. Done writing, done understanding,
Yes, I'm done writing.
and done understanding or not. Can you remember everything that we have done? Seed germination you will never forget because you have germinated your own seed. Good, not you. You are not finished. You say I have finished writing or taking down the notes.
Right.
Okay. So you will never forget germination, and you also have to remember photosynthesis. Okay. Yes. Kshitija, hurry up. Sarah, if you want to ask me anything, you can ask. Shreya, you want to ask me anything? No? Okay. Sarah?
I found the Word document of the poem.
Yes, the document is there with you in the soft copy?
It's also in the rough copy, is also in the Word document.
It is there in the Word document? Okay. You will share it for me? Wait. Kshitija,
Yes.
are you done writing? Kshitija is not there.
I am there.
You are there? I can't see you. Okay, never mind. You were
I
frozen.
can see you.
Yes, can you try sharing, Sarah? You know how to share, right?
Yes, yes.
I will just read to make you know how we can do a poetry recitation. Okay?
Okay. There are just a few sentences that are missing. There are only 2 sentences that are missing.
It's okay, dear. It's okay. It's okay. Never mind. This is the only page, Sarah?
Yes, these are the both poems.
Fine. This is complete. A plant or both has some lines missing, right?
See to a ceiling, just 2 sentences.
Okay, never mind. So how do we read it? I'll read a plant. Okay. You're writing it? Okay, write it.
Yeah.
So all of you will be writing your poem. You can do a handwritten copy and also have a soft copy, both. Okay. Keep your observation sheets ready. Make your video. Print the pictures that you have clicked. If you can print, very good. If you can't print, then have it uploaded in your laptop. Okay? If you can print some, like you can print it on a plain sheet of paper only. You don't have to do a photograph printing or anything. Okay? Done?
Yeah.
Seed to a seedling. Seed to a seedling. I am a seed, big and strong. Everyone eats me. Together all. One day, a young girl planted me, which was fairest of all. I grew into a plant, big and strong. Scroll down, Sarah. From a seed to a seedling, I am no longer useless like a weed. Not at all. Seed to a seedling. So you saw there is a voice modulation?
Yes.
Yes. How much ever you can pick up this voice modulation, you do.
Yeah.
It's okay. Whatever you do. I'm telling to three of you.
Okay.
Sarah, just go up. A plant. Like I like seeds. I like plants. They are so green. I feel they can run. First, they are tiny seeds. Then they are tiny seeds. No? Yes. Tiny seedlings, no? Okay, fine. First, they are
I
tiny.
repeated this.
Then they are tiny saplings. Then they grow into big plants. Sometimes they grow into big trees with many fruits and many greens. And you can add 2-3 lines, okay?
Okay.
So always try to do somewhat voice modulation. Like when you're talking about seed, it is small. You say tiny seeds. Then they are tiny saplings. Then they grow into big plants. Sometimes they grow into big trees. So you see, for
Yes.
seeds, the voice was low. For saplings, it raised a bit high. A high note for plants and a higher note for trees. Okay?
Okay.
So all three of you, whatever you can, you do. I'm just giving you a small example. Okay?
Okay.
So let's see, maybe before we do our project, we will have a class like a rehearsal because our science class is done. Okay, now you will get a assignment to do. You will get some questions and solve it. That's all. So maybe or most probably before your presentation, I will have a kind of stage rehearsal with you. So you will keep this poem ready, your observation sheets ready, video should be ready, your pictures should be ready, okay? And today is what day? Today is Friday, right?
Yes.
By next Wednesday, I want everything to be sent to me, okay? You write it and keep it, that is a different thing. But before that, by next Wednesday, what is the day? Shreya, next Wednesday? Coming Wednesday? Tell me the date. Can you tell me? Who can tell me the date for the coming Wednesday? 23rd. So by 23rd, all of you will be sending me your poem, observation sheet, pictures, and the video. Apart from this, whatever you speak, will be from your own experience. That we will talk the day before our project presentation. Okay? Nothing. You have to talk about the entire process, starting from planting the seed to the day, how it grows, how it grew, that journey, what you have learned while you were growing it, that journey, what problems you faced before you started the project, how you overcame that problem, what have you learned, what is the process, okay, what was the process, and how have you associated this central theme of your project to your home garden. And even if you can talk about your science class, very well. Okay? So
Okay.
before that,
Today was science class or project class?
it's all together, science actually. Okay? And your experiences, and finally, you will show these observation sheets and everything. So before the actual presentation, we will have a kind of stage rehearsal. Okay? If you want, these videos will be available. You can again listen to these videos, okay, and see that how I am trying and reciting the poem and whatever I'm saying. Okay, all three of you.
Okay.
Any queries as of now?
No.
No? Good girl. So by 23rd, try to send me by afternoon all the materials. Okay, observation sheets, pictures, videos, and everything. Okay, Shreya,
How will we present on the presentation day?
you, yes, Sarah?
How will we present on the presentation day?
Yes, that we will do on the rehearsal day. You can come up with your own ideas. Do you want to do a PowerPoint presentation? Yes, you are actually presenting it to your parents. So you can do a PowerPoint presentation, or else you can just show them the observation sheet, the video, but you can play the video for them. Then you will be talking about your experience, what difficulties you face, how did you overcome with the difficulties, okay?
Okay.
And then you will just talk about the process that you have seen and why freedom for all is important, why we are growing home garden, okay? Because why? Now you also know about photosynthesis. So all this is for you to understand, and you can do a write-up, and you can also send me that. That ma'am, this is what I'm planning to talk. Okay? Okay, Shreya, Kshitija,
Yes.
good girls. You can also send me whatever you want to speak while you are giving your presentation of your process of growth of your seedling and what difficulties you face, how you overcome those difficulties. If you want to, you can send me a write-up, or else you can just speak from your mind on that day. It's okay. Okay? So if you don't have any questions as of now, shall we wind up?
Um,
Shall we finish the class? Shall we end the class today?
okay.
Okay, and please send me everything by Wednesday. Okay?
Okay.
Bye bye.
Okay.
Bye, Shreya, Sarah, Kshitija. Bye bye.
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 Bye. Bye bye.
Bye, everyone.